Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the harmonica. First, let's talk about holding your instrument. Hold the harmonica gently between your thumb and forefinger with the numbers facing up. Cup your hands around the harmonica to create a small chamber. This helps amplify the sound and gives you better control over the tone. A relaxed grip is key for comfortable and effective playing. Next, let's focus on producing clear single notes. Pucker your lips as if you are sipping through a straw, covering just one hole. Use your diaphragm for controlled breathing, pushing air from your stomach, not your chest. Blow and draw gently, aiming for a steady, even airflow. This precise technique is fundamental for playing melodies and ensures each note rings out purely. Now, let's explore playing simple chords and rhythms. To play a chord, cover 3 or 4 holes with your mouth and blow or draw. You can also use your tongue to block certain holes, creating different chord voicings. Practice alternating between blowing and drawing notes to establish a basic rhythm. This helps build your musical timing and adds depth to your playing. Finally, let's touch on bending notes, a key expressive technique. Bending involves changing the pitch of a note by altering your mouth shape and airflow. It takes practice, but it adds a soulful, bluesy sound. Remember to practice consistently, perhaps 15 minutes each day, focusing on specific techniques. Listening to experienced harmonica players will also greatly inspire your musical development.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.